what we were doing, and I think you're going to love them. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is Netflix. We want continuation. This morning, Netflix got two more additional upgrades. One from Goldman at 400, and again, the stock is sitting only at 330, and then another upgrade at Pivotal for 425. So we called Netflix to make a move to the upside on this one. Um, Netflix. So we wanted it. I'm looking for 337 to 340. I got a little aggressive. I'll admit, but the stock is trending higher. We were long all day on it. I was looking for a 10-point move on it, and today I think we got 8 points on it off the bottom. So I'll show it to you. Did you see MNPR traders? It hit 22 when I said at 20 to long it. Did you play that, Craig? Because that would have paid you $2,000 real quick. So anyway, here comes Netflix. I think it goes to 25 if it keeps going, if it has one more run in it. Anyway, here's Netflix. And we've been playing this since $3, $307 a couple days ago. Down here, we were long down here at 307. And it's just been a tear. And I definitely see 335 to 340 on this in the next coming days. Just trending nicely higher. Again, their subscription numbers overseas are just phenomenal. Today's call was a small pull at the open, bottom curl, then long for 10 points, and we ended up at 323 to 332. We got 9 points, almost 10 total today. Very good trade there. Next thing we did today was KRTX. This was a wonderful trade that we did today. I really love this. Nice and fun. This stock, we ended up, what did we do? Hold on. Let me go here 2 days. KRTX. This one had an upgrade with a tier 3 analyst. I called for about a 67, roughly 68 bottom curl, go long, although we moved to 75 or more. Stock hit 77. Great trade. Pop at the open. We were done in 30 seconds. We actually called for a long at the open to 72. It hit 74. Then a nice gap fill, pull back down to 67, 68. Bottom curl, long, took it to $77 a share. Wonderful trade in the chat room. Rad, great trade today in the chat room. Rad was similar to Fran. It had a great earnings. Not really impressive, but enough to get investors excited about the stock again or being bought out. So the stock was running up pretty thick this morning. I felt at the opening bell we would see 11.50 to 12. Stock topped off at 12.50 on a double top, and it came down ever since, and it's grinding around 12. I gave the value of Rad this morning at $12 a share. As you can see right here, value is $12 a share. Next one we did was MLHR. This was an earnings report play, and MLHR. Yeah, this was an earnings report, and the way we played it, I just simply wanted to. I read the report very carefully, and this one I went over pretty methodically in the chat room. And I said that the stock was going to pull at the open at 42.50. If it did, go long the stock. And then once it pulled, just a nice bottom curl right at the open. And in pre-market, it pulled, and then right at the open, it yanked to 42.50 and then longed. I called 44.50 as the top, 44.50, and it hit 44.60. Really a beautiful play here, well executed. The next one we did was a stock called APOG, another earnings play. This one had actually downside guidance, and they missed at least 30% on their EPS. Sam M, I would sell CBIO, a big chunk of it. That thing can pull hard, and you have to be careful. They will probably do an offering. And if they do, it'll be like a 550 offering, and you'll lose that 1 point. So definitely take money on the way up. Take at least 80% off the top here at 740, since you have a 650 average. And well done. Really proud of you. I just paid for your annual. Anyway, on APOG, we called for a $30 bottom curl, and a play for 2 points to the upside. And as you can see, ding, 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 it pulled to 30. Here's the double bottom here at 30.23. Long it, the stock hit 32.04 for almost 2 points. The next one we did was SGEN. This was a wonderful trade. I really enjoyed this trade. This was a short at the open to 113 per my notes. After reading why it was gapping up, I told everyone the stock will come down to 113 and go long. Right here, it hit 113, 23. 2 point it hit and it ran about 2.5, almost 3 points to the upside. I played this today. I was green on it. I went long, and then it kind of just grinded itself out. It was a really good play. The next one we did was MU. MU we called to perfection. We called for a short at the open to go down to $54 a share and then long back to 55. We figured there were going to be some profit taking kicking in. So I wrote in the pre-market notes, watch for a 54 at the open. Bottom curl and go long, and as you can see, 54 hit right here and here, and bottom curl went right back up to 55.30. It was a wonderful play in the chat room. That's it. I gave RAD, MU. Oh, I think I gave KRTX. I think I did, right? KRTX was a nice one. Yeah, it was. We read it 74. I wanted this to come down to 67, 68 on a bottom curl. The stock ran to 77. Yeah, we already went through that one. Another play I have to tell you I really liked today was AXSM. It sold off to the offering price. They had a 2 million offering at I think it was 87 a share, and I knew the stock would squeeze at the open. I'll tell you right here what I said. AXSM right here. I wanted a short initially 98, pop it 100, and then take it down to the 91 area because it did feel like it would come down there. But the stock ended up pulling only up a couple points. You see how the 98 short right here? See the 98? I gave it room to 100, and I wanted to pull, and it pulled nicely at the opening bell 2 times to 95 a share. It wouldn't break the 95, so I told the traders long the stock on the curl. Once it broke through the flag, we were long the stock. And then Fire made a really good call in the chat room. He took it from, I think, right here at 102, 103. I played this 3 or 4 times today, and each time I won. And last but not least, we got to give a props where they're due from JT in the IPO department. She gave us MNPR, and I'm calling this a 25 before the close. And it's a thin stock, and you can see right here, if you're in our room and you bought that thing will shoot. But watch the spreads; they're pretty wide. This was a nice buy right here at 19 to 22. Should be able to go a little bit higher. It's very thin IPO. Sometimes, yeah, I'm going to put this on watch for tomorrow for myself. This could be one of those stocks like Revolve that just run. You see the buy right here? That thing's going to shoot right through 23. You could see it. I bet we could get some 23 lines up. There it goes. See those 23s? Let's see if I can flip ARCA down on the level 2. Hold on. I got 2287. ARCA showed. Let's see if this kind of pops there. Anyways, it's a good IPO. Not too bad. Very thin. And once this lines up here, I think we could see some 23s getting lined up. Spreads are pretty wide though, almost a buck. So you gotta sell into the move. Otherwise you'll get shitty fills. So now I want to give hats off to Noel in the chat room. Noel killed it today. Over $5,000, almost 5,000. He had a heck of a day today, and where's his P&L? Oh, right there. No, they all did $5,000. Okay. All right. That is today's secret. That's today's webinar. I'm still kind of groggy, a little sick. Got some things to do. They're gonna go hiking. And I love and respect to each and every one of you. Christmas is next week. We're all thankful traders to be together, to trade together, and to make money together. It's awesome. What a great feeling every day. All right. Enjoy. Be good. Be well. Be safe. And CBIO is running into close. I think these two will run into close. CBIO and Juniper. No, I mean, look at MPR. See that? It's getting ready to launch, traders. Watch the 23s line up. See that? Here comes 23. You ready? Watch this. Watch. Ready? This thing's going to launch. You're going to get it. Craig, are you in it? It's going to launch. Look at all those 23s lined up. Once it gets there, it's just go boom. It's the BIOs moving up. Oh, running close into 8. Wow. Thank you, Mary. Thank you, Mary. Mad love and respect for you. Okay. All right. That's it. Go have fun. Take care. God bless. There it is. Hold on. I'm doing this live. There it is. Woo! Look at that. Look at that, JT. 23.93. Woo! Zoom just made $1,200. Woo! That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Huh? Know the move before the move. All of you could have just made $1,000 in the chat room. All of you. And halt. That's even better. It'll unhalt at 24. Hit my 25. Can somebody go on Twitter and start talking? All right. Can someone go on Twitter? Woo! Oh, I'm still recording? Oh, shit. Well, that's what we do in here. This was a live trade. You know? That was a live trade. I did. I recorded that. I recorded that. I'm still recording.